Looking for Savannah craft ideas? Check out these 6 cool Savannah crafts. Download my free Savannah plan. Find the link to the template in the video description below. Let's start with a highlight, the Savannah Animal Play Bin. Check out what you need. First, let's make the bin. Put in the Savannah animals. Endless hours of fun are ahead of you. Let's move like an elephant. Find the template in my plan. Next up, a cute fork lion. Check out what you need. Dip the fork into the paint. Who wants to make a paper plate giraffe? Look for the template in my plan. Check out what you need. How about making a fun cootie catcher? Find the template in my plan. Print, cut, and make it. Play on. Time for lunch. And make lion pasta. Love my content? Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.